Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
When considering the cost of replacement windows and doors, some homeowners wonder whether it pays to go expensive. In my opinion, it is well worth the extra cost to receive the increased value you receive for an energy-efficient PVC or aluminum-clad window unit versus a vinyl replacement window.
Let's help you make your mark.
The typical window replacement cost is between $200 and $1,800 per window, and the national average is around $100 to $650 per window, depending on window frame material and glass type, among other factors. Labor adds to the overall window replacement cost and can run approximately $100 to $300 per window.
Take our lead.
Installing new windows usually involves creating some debris. Plaster, paint flakes, and old sealant can cause quite a mess, and some consequential damage may occur to nearby wallpaper, paintwork, and tiles. During a window replacement project, the area around your windows essentially becomes an active building site.
Let's help you make your mark.
Many window design professionals agree that new, quality windows should last between 15 and 20 years before you start to think about replacing them. Most companies producing vinyl windows often provide a 20 to 25-year warranty, which is essentially a lifetime warranty, the expected lifetime of the product.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.